Nitsa. Okay? Uchichil Nitsa is female school teacher. If you say Uchichil, Uchichil means male teacher. Uchichil.
Yes, sir.
Uchichil. Хорошо? Uchichil. And Farthfiel. You know, Farthfiel means, do you know what is the meaning of Farthfiel? Farthfiel.
Oh, what is it?
Farthfiel means briefcase. Briefcase. Okay?
Okay.
This is Farthfiel. Farthfiel means briefcase. You see ending here, Mac is not ending. Farthfiel means briefcase. Farthfiel means briefcase. Farthfiel. Okay? Farthfiel. Farthfiel means briefcase. Farthfiel. You just try to remember these words, this vocabulary. No, only this for understanding only. It's grammar. Okay?
Okay, sir.
First, masculine nouns. What you have to do? First, you have to remember this rule. If any hard consonant ending will come, you know there are 21 consonants in Russian language. If any hard consonant will come, any particular word, that is masculine gender. Okay? Student, you know, student means male student. Student, they ending here. And zavod, here is they, ending they. Zavod means factory. This is consonant. And uchichil, here is uchichil. Mac is not ending. But this one, you must use dictionary also. With the help of dictionary, you can identify which gender is this. Okay? And Farthfiel. Farthfiel also Mac is not ending. Farthfiel means briefcase. Muzei. You see, muzei means museum. And giroi. Giroi means hero. Giroi. Okay? Now, okay. May I remove this one? Now I will explain you about feminine gender. Okay? Are you writing in notebook? Huh? Are you writing, brother, in notebook? May I remove this one? I will explain you now. Feminine gender. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Is my voice clear?
Your voice is clear, but slowly. Please speak little bit more loudly. Little bit. Okay?
I also have some problem with this fuel system, sir.
Okay. Maybe mic problem, I think. Once you check your mic in computer service, there, okay.
The mic is, there's no problem with the mic, sir.
Okay. Once you check your mic, when you will be free, morning time, you go computer service there. They will check your laptop. Are you using laptop?
No, phone, sir.
Oh, phone you are using? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, phone, okay. Then just check up your phone mobile shop. When you will be free, you go there and check up. Okay? Because if my voice is clear for you, then it will be easy for you to understand. If my voice is not clear, then it will be difficult for you to understand. Okay?
Your voice is clear, sir.
Your voice is not clear for me. Just your voice is coming very slowly. Like.
I guess it's problem with your system, sir.
Here my system.
Yeah.
Oh, here is okay. My system is okay, no problem. Just I check up my system. That day I went now. Now is my system is okay now, no problem.
Okay.
Okay. And Mitla's brother, he also hearing properly what I am saying, and his voice also clear for me.
Okay.
You don't have laptop? Laptop.
I do.
Okay. Just a minute. I will drink some water. You see, next feminine gender. You see, feminine gender is very easy. Feminine gender. Feminine. Feminine gender. You know, in feminine gender, ending a, ya, and mak is not. Mak is not, you know, this is exception. With the help of mak is not, you can see dictionary. With the help of dictionary, you can identify which gender is this. Mak is not. But mostly will come in feminine gender only. Mak is not. Okay. And you see, I will give the example. For example, Jina. Jina means, you know what is the meaning of Jina? Jina. Do you know what is the meaning of Jina?
Right?
What is the meaning of Jina?
Wife, right?
Хорошо, wife. Jina means wife. Here you see, a ending, a. Means this is feminine gender, a. You know, if ending will come a and ya and mak is not, that is feminine gender. You just forget mak is not. Mak is not mostly will come in feminine gender, but this both endings are very important, a and ya. Okay, a and ya. Okay, and I will give another example.